Did you saw this property? This is the last property or the 15th house and lot nga akong gi-purchase. I purchased this property 2 years ago amounting to 4 million pesos only. And the market value of this property right now is already 6 million. The developer allows me to put a 10% down payment. So amounting to 400,000. O gipa-stretch niya na ako into 36 months. Ang monthly equity na ko ani is only 11,000 pesos per month. Karon, ang monthly amortization ani nga property sa bangko is amounting to 23k per month. So taas kaayo siya no. But I'll make a twist. Ang buhato nako, I will not pay 11k per month sa equity. Ako siyang padak-an, ako siyang i-times 3 because the lower the monthly amortization, mas dali siya parentahan. So mag-lump sum payment ko ani once the property is already at is 90%. Karon napaman siya sa 60%. So this is one of the perfect example of my BRRRR strategy. I buy low price, buy lower 10% equity down payment, then ako ni siyang i-renovate. It is just a minor renovation kay finish unit man ni ikahuman ani. So gamay ra kaayo ko og cost sa constructions ni ani. Dayon ako din siyang parintahan. Then I'll just repeat the process by doing this method, the buy low price, rent, renovate and repeat the process. Di lang nimo mahibawan daghan na kay kag property nga gina-invest each year.